Guess what? I got a challenge for shivers. Oh, look. Anyway, guys, hi guys. I got a challenge for quad burgers, quad something burgers. It's like 4 meat patties in a burger. So I was gonna make it, but for I ain't got time for that. So I thought I'll stop by at the local shops and get a burger. And you know what? The burgers are better at Hungry Jack's. Mwah! So that's where I'm getting my burgers. So I'll show you later. Yes, so guys, I got me the 2 burgers. So I'm gonna go and, get it going and eat it. So I'm here at Hungry Jack's. So, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. 2 double burgers. Oh my gosh. I might put the meat patties together because there's anyway, when it comes, I'm gonna go find a place to go and eat it. It's gonna be messy, and do you think I'm gonna do it? I think so. I got me. That's what I got me. I got me the double Whopper with the cheese. A little bit. Anyway, guys, I was nominated for a challenge for Quadruple burger. Okay, so guess what I got? Hungry Jack's, and there's 4 meat patties. You have to have 4 meat patties. Yeah, and so I took on the challenge, and so I thought, okay, I'll do it. It's a bit hot now because we were trying to find somewhere shady to eat. Okay, so we're gonna do it. So I'm just gonna do this burger. It looks really, really good. It's from Hungry Jack, guys, and I got myself a drink. It's a little Coke, but then I asked my daughter to get me a Atari drink while we're out there. Get it. Anyway, look at the lettuce and the mayo and pickles, onion, double patty there, double patty down there, and then anyway guys, gotta have some fries with it. Not fries, it's just normal shit. Okay, it's a bit rude if I don't offer. Here guys. Nice oil. You know, if the oil is nice, your chips will taste nice. These Hungry Jacks, you did it again. I wonder if they want me to do an ad for their money. Yeah. Alright. Get this burger going. Oh my gosh. Okay. Put my chair back. Okay. Here goes. It's so big. Why didn't I get the mini burgers? Just to make it easier. Look at that, guys. Look. Okay. Okay. Anyway, guys, let's get this going. I don't think I can eat it all, but woohoo! Massive! Guys, this is massive. Huh? These chips are really good. Man, yum. And you know what's good? Hungry Jack burgers are really, really tasty. Stop laughing at this, Geneva. No. It's gonna be hard. But I'm gonna try my best. Burger chips, I mean. Russia fries. I need a lot. That's just. What about you? Not.
Does this help, Mommy?
I don't know. Maybe. Hold it, Paul. Hold it. No, I'm gonna ask you for it back. Wait. Where's my other fries? Yep. It's pretty dark in here, eh? So sorry about that, guys. You know why I open the door? Let some civilization come inside. It's really awesome. Anyway, how's everyone been? Me and my mama, we're fine. We're good. By the grace of God, He looks after us. So, Lord, I appreciate God's love. Oh. Okay. So far the burger hasn't fallen apart. This is the biggest burger I've ever eaten. Plus, it will be my only time I'm going to eat this. But this is messy. But a good messy. Okay guys, I think I'll have a couple more bites and then I'll quit. What's this? Okay. Oh my gosh, the onions fell down. Oh, my poor car. Okay, no. That's all. Fall out. Only that bit left. Oh, baby, hold it. Hold, watch out, it's gonna flop. Babe. Cheers, guys. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna get it up so I can pick up these onions. Oh, there. Oh, my poor cow. You know what? I set this rule, right? No eating of my cow. And what do I go and do? So, guys, thanks for joining me to try and take on that big burger, but I couldn't do it. Especially when the onion fell down, I thought, oh, for sure now, I ain't gonna eat the rest because I just wanted to pick up the onion. But guys, I did it, right? I did it. Oh, I took on the challenge. It was supersonic big. I should have ordered the small burgers, not the big Whopper burger. But the Whopper burgers are always beautiful, tasty, yummy, delicious. Oh, the burp doesn't stop. Yeah, so my mum's gone on an excursion today. It's first day today. You know what I'm thinking about right now? Is a nice cup of coffee. Hey guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna that car's quite loud. But I may ole Faye the mukbang on the king. I am. Okay guys, I have to do some shout outs, okay? So listen up, listen up. Geneva, are you a good girl?
Perfect girl.
Oh, you're so confident. But did you ask me if that's true?
Yes, I said yes.
Whatever, Geneva, whatever. Anyway, I bought a shout out book. And, okay. Anyway guys, I got the shout outs to do. So shout out time. So, here's the first names. And it'll go to the next page. Okay, the first one is Cassia Simeon. Okay, listen. If I say your name's wrong, sorry, okay? Anyway, if I say your fella's name wrong, please forgive me. But I've put your names down, so when you see your name, that's your name. But if I read it out, it's wrong. And then there's Isaac Nanai, and then Lema T. And then I'm gonna say hello to Staff Vlogs. And then I want to say hello to Elizabeth Betty. Also, Min Yongi, Talpak, hello to you too. It's Yay, it's Yay or Yi, Riati, Ria.
See car power.
Yeah, okay. Don't disturb me when I'm trying to read, girl. Wait, Maya, I'm having difficulties trying to read these names. Okay, and then there's Estella, Viesta. That's a nice name. Estella Viesta. Say, oh, what's your name? Estella Viesta. Cool. Okay, and there is Tegan Lokeni. Hello to you too, Tegan. And then there's Madeline Tuliao. Hello to you. And then I got two kids channels that I want you guys to please, if you guys got kids, to support these kids for their channels, because they just started, and it will be nice to, you know, uplift them, boost them up. Drop by and say hello, subscribe to them. Stop poking your tongues beside me, woman. This girl's so much distraction. Anyway, I want to follow up my live. Boom, shout outs like a Mickey.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, so these two kids, I want to shout them out, and I hope that you guys will, you know, they're just starting. And if you guys got kids that's got channels, let them know so they can go past and, you know, drop by and, you know, give them a shout out and stop that. Distraction. Anyway, so it's Taniara Lavia. Hello, Taniara. Keep your channel up, girl. Don't be shy of nobody. Just do your channel. And I say the same for Fase, Fano, okay, YT, okay. I say the same to you. He's my nephew, guys. If you can please, if you got kids that's doing their channel, let them know about their channels, please. And if you got kids that's got, you know, like it's pretty shy, encourage them to do videos, even the ones that's really, you know, like talkative and stuff like that, because I tell you what, they are already talkative, so they were already got the, you know, the I'm trying to find a word. Say it, help me here.
What?
You know, oh yeah, they got the confidence so they can already do the videos. So yeah, because guys, let there be poly YouTube channels for children, because then they'll get on, watch each other, watch one another. Face's my nephew. Okay, well, he's my grandnephew if I think about it, because his dad is my first cousin's son. So guys, all your names being read out. Thank you so much for dropping by to my channel and leaving uplifting comments. You know, it feels like we're already family. We have never met, but we feels like we're family, guys. So yeah, encourage your kids, you know, and if they're shy, encourage them to do it, because I tell you what, sometimes, you know, when they're doing their own thing and they're in their, you know, they can, you know, come out of their little, you know, their little shyness and stuff like that, and it'll boost their confidence, you know. Anyway, that's what I think. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching the challenge. I know I should have finished today, but I tell you what, for my little buddy, I cannot take so much. Okay, it's a little bit better. Anyway, you guys, take it easy, take care, and always give thanks to the good Lord, because without Him, we are nothing, guys. And again, if you don't have a channel but you've been thinking about it, don't be shy. Get out your camera, get out your phone, just record and leave it there. When you're ready, you got these awesome videos put together and upload. Yeah. Well, listen, guys. My daughter-in-law is thinking of doing her a channel, and I encourage it because if you're just gonna say it and then not do it, it ain't gonna, like happen. So you gotta think it, plan it, and do it, and then don't be let down because you see like your subscribers is not picking up as fast. Listen, guys, it didn't pick up fast for me either, and I'm still working on getting more. And it's up to the person. If they like it, okay, they'll subscribe, and if they don't, I don't mind. But if they come to watch, yeah, they're good. Thank you guys, thank you. And just start your channel, and my daughter and I, and we're trying to think of some names. So when my daughter-in-law starts her channel, she's gonna have a nice, cool name. Yeah, but it should be her own decision, so she can be happy with her own channel name, not with someone on the sideline going, no, call it this, but really that's not what they want, and then they'll just do it, and then all the time when they think about the name, it didn't mean really nothing to them because they didn't, really want it, and they just went with it. So do what's yours. Do your own thought of your own name and your own, unless you really think you hear that name and you go, oh, I like that name, and you take it on, it's on you. Don't complain later. But if it's really, really good, it's a catchy name, yeah, why not, Okay, my daughter wants to go home, but I thought I'd come and do the challenge because hit me in the back. Keep going. Yeah. Ouch! Oh, that was so that last one. Was that an angry one? Where is the love? Where is the love? Hey. Even if I sing it. How dare they? Oh. No. Okay, bye guys. You guys take care. We're off home now. Yes, we're off home. This is signing out from me in Geneva. Take care. Bye now.
Bye now.